Hey guys, Anthony here from XXRC Garage, and what you're looking at here is the Gen 8 pack pre-assembled chassis kit, and I'm doing the box opening. Let's see what we got in here. Got the seal open. So apparently what's in the box is strictly going to be the chassis, and it just shows you the different things you can buy to put in here. So we're just going to go ahead and open it up and get right to it. So starting off with is some of that awesome bubble wrap. I just shipped something the other day and I had to get rid of it, and I was like sad, and now I'm happy again because I got some more. So we got another information pack here to show you assembly stuff. We got a box here with the front bumper, back bumper, battery tray strap. It's going to have the hexes. It's got comes with a servo horn. It's got the hexes for the tires and all the little screws and bits and pieces that you're going to need, including the lug nuts. And here it is in the package. Let me roll this up here, get this out of the way. This is a box. And let's take it out of the package here. So, there it is. Now, this is technically what my Gen 8 would look like if I took it all apart and didn't have a motor or anything in it. So, pretty cool. So the body I'm planning on doing on this is going to be this Comanche body, and I believe it's going to fit pretty decent on here. Got a few things I'm going to be doing different on this, but it will fit down further on here once I get done with it. And here, so yeah, I mean, I wouldn't have to go through all that if I was just going to use this Proline body I already have. That would fit perfect over that, be done with it. And but regardless, you know, we can't ever take the easy way out. Oh, look, they even got the hubcaps on here for the wheels. Pretty cool. So anyway, well, it's pretty cool because the drive shafts comes with everything you need. All you need to do is put your motor, ESC, receiver, and tires and body. Boom, she's ready to rock and roll. So there it is, guys. Looks like I might have to take this battery tray off first. So we can see what we're doing here. I missed one somewhere. Oh, this is one in the chassis. Okay. So it looks like there's nuts in there. So in order to do this, I'll stick my needle nose in here. Take that one loose. This one loose. Okay, so what we're going to do now is bring the top, get it to come out now. Okay. Let's put this back together. Alright, let's flip it. Oh, well, this ought to be easy, if it's what I think it is. So, your adjustments are going to be here. Take this long screw out, and take this long screw out. Okay, and then we just slide it forward. Oh, wow. Are you kidding me? This is awesome. If this goes the way I think it's going to go. This is crazy. All right, let's see what happens. I brought it up. Okay. I think that'll work. So, by doing that, looks like we brought her down. Wish I had my tape measure really handy. So apparently, before we did this, let's see where we're at now. So right now we're at 12.5 inches. And if I bring it down 3 more inches, which I could do the same adjustments on the front, I don't know if I really want to. I think it looks pretty good as it is. Let me see how it stands. Wow. I like the way it looks so far. Okay guys, so what I did was I also changed my tire size. I had these big boys on there and it looks just too much. I tried these, but I think these look better. I just need to get this lower down a little bit and I think it'll look good. So that's it so far. And we'll do a little bit more stuff on here. Not sure if I'm keeping that bumper on there or not. Do have other bumpers I could use, but although I think this bumper doesn't look too bad on here right now. So Just maybe leave it on there for a moment. But I'm just going to fix these big old holes in the bed here now. So what I did here to cover up the opening, I made a box. It looked like you're hauling like camping stuff, and I got it wrapped up, and it actually covers the whole tower, everything in here. This is not finished yet, but at least this will cover stuff, and it looks like, you know, hauling camping stuff or whatever. Okay guys, so what I'm doing now is installing my electronics. So far I'm just trying to put the ESC. So I run short batteries when I'm crawling, so I don't need the full length of this battery box up here. So with that, I'll show you what I'm talking about. This is this 3M stuff decides to behave itself. Okay, so I'm going to be putting this sideways here. And that way I can run the motor wires out of the chassis to the motor, battery off and on, which I'll probably just mount that on the side here. I don't know, we'll figure it out in a minute. Anyway, a radio receiver. So I'm going to run my little 2-channel Spectrum in here for now. This is going to look. Alright guys, that is it for now.